wachana nayo. Wewe sema tu kugodha huku nje. Wachana nayo. Wacha tuendelee na ile story imetuleta hapa, tuendelee nayo. Wewe endelea kugodha. Na mbere tuzo tukiariria mantu mwanya karibu sana mutegeri wa Wero TV turi live kuma Kamemeka Wero FM 96.4 tukithuja manjege Muswada Jojo Kigiina jwethiro tujo kireta thina inene sana kiri Gen Z na kinya kiri ya Kenya untubure na aru nayo metho jonde jakirekera bunge na area bunge bakwirigirwa kwithirwa inyabo bagikinyia bunge no ntubena na aru na rujo kwithirwa bakiariria untubuna kubuku kana Muswada Jojo na kujukuru hizo amendments ziko anyway jonda tukamenya uri muthikire lakini gankwire okairika ching na coke tigira no kunyo soda ya kuya coke ya Fanta ya Sprite ya Stone kana ya Crest ya mililita 300 kana 500 ml kagita kareo kanywa soda u either 200 ml 300 ml kana 500 ml kuna nkuniki wa kundro soda kuthara kwina nkuniki uni onkwenda ukarani omuno nonto kwina code ya urunguru wa nkuniki code u kethro kimetuma kiri 40111 muthikiria no gutonya kiri draw aria Kenya bakumbuka na milioni kuigwa gitonga ntwarethi kuma Mombasani lakini za our own son of the soil nimbo baite wana ntwarethi na kauko na rombo kira na shilingi milioni muthikĩria kire promotion ezi ya kaching na koko no Coca-Cola iba kuelewa uchumi ni mbaya ikyo gitumio kona Kenya bakibangania kuandamana na bakureta thina sana nonto economy tete bwega na Kenya iba kuinyirika bonene lakini Coca-Cola bekura we kunywa tu soda chukua hiyo kodi kwa kifuniko hapa ama kwa bottle top tuma kiri 40111
but ile millionaires bank kenda by the way
uwezi kunywa soda boss tu umoke
na kunywaga
Uma
uwezi jua meya karibu yangu ile wewe ni bro lakini lakini nikipata mita kidogo naweza kufichia bola.
The good thing umenita bro kwa TV nikikuita brasa usikasirike.
Nataka karibu kire bobago ya chacha mokani kwa Wero FM 96.4 euro America niratumiriria officially ati Kenya ni a major non-NATO ally. Na euro nirio mabisa mana yana ba Kenya baretere ndikuru ni ahiti. Unapata connection?
Karibu sana
wala SALESIO. Asante sana na tuboto na kanyo mukuru kire mubango chacha moka it's been a minute. Utere Karibu.
Na urire. Aba atigiro ruga violence burume.
Kwa kaita kara yangu iche ya mtu MUTETERI wa KIOTO kio mtu inkuona a lot of things kana mantu mengi sana ya wita na mbere ndikurune Kenya thai yara yaretine mantu ya finance bill ero ndironere bagitobu imanyara bakwaria former chief justice
Willy Mutunga
kinyona araririe and so many others bara batethirito by the body bachi sana but thai bakumira. What's happening in this country? Nonto wadikira from some quarters bariwa otongeria boburyo iboturikania some some 20 years ago right now. You manto iboturikania or more. But again now president nware tu iratire it is the only way ya wikura kire the nera tu ni odai. Abunge bare tu iratire actually treasury irawire yakwithirwa maendekithira yongo ya bwithirwe kiri state house yakwithirwa yakalikithwa then ni kumaanisha ati twache 200 billion kire budget ya 2024-2025.
Reject the finance bill.
Ala.
Ichionkethi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ebwaga Martin na Karimi. Igo mpaka nyaga tumba kwaraniria na mumero na mukenya aria kunthe ari. It's true jara jonde wauga ioma. But Kenya kiurekera tukuria. Do we need 14 trillion budget? Kenda Kenya endelea na mbere.
14 trillion?
No, 4 trillion budget. Kenda Kenya endelea na mbere.
Yeah.
Do we need?
It is what we want.
That is the goal.
Ruto kwenda una antu ba weti Kenyans. The voice of the people must prevail. na the good thing ke katiba yetu ni ete Mukenya power. Number 1, Article 1, sovereignty of the people must always be respected. Article 3, twin the nya ogwe na oni turi to defend katibeji. Nike tumio kuona Jay-Z umerete ko defend katibeji. Okatega several articles chire kuchikuga onto bunde burabu kathithwa bwegie mwananchi. Plus yakiti katiba inya some acts ridithitwe lazima bwete for public participation,
which happened
na Kenya gintu kiria to realize the public participation chiethiretwo chi cosmetic na itwarĩrĩte onto bwaja jo Martin jara maingi mono tiko tweka ati bageta bakare nthiguru KICC kana bakare mbunge house na are uria kutwike no bakara nthiguru beterete memorandum MP betu tutabathurire tubonaga Nairobi yake. They should be here on the ground. Bakeja batwira gintu kina kiki kwendelea baka carry their own public participation. Na impeja na a very good example of a person I still mwakana ro mulika na gana inya mono. Elias Morega. Ndiri ari MCA wa municipality. Kwina onto ndene ya bunge ya assembly ya Meru. Kwithoi Muswada kana nini thinitite kwarirerua Murega ajukagia kanya akathiuruka all the locations akiendokitaga antu imbi ewireti ndene bunge kenda betho bari informed before public participation ethithwa. MPs betu imbi bethiritwo bakithithia
auto ambassador
na mpeja ne warning KMP wakwa Dr. Shadrack Moiti tunaro turenda kuona mbunge uguma South Africa tutakuringire kura wita South Africa.
Okay, aririe Mwitiri kuna mtu actually ndonera ntumirite WhatsApp emburagia kuna poster tulipost ya MPs wa Meru Mwiti bariuga atonekana ground na atonekana bunge
I South Africa atora Rwongo otinonekanaga by the way South Imenti thaiji tutina feeling twina MP ata kidogo tithi mwaka ajukia ting ground yokamona inyanto bawe representation yobici yewe utimiga utimathiko kabaigwa titoniseno kabaigwa yani tukarija katutene MP completely uti projects tukuona ukamona naja ujo ria president yana uamona na ria president yana naja ujo otherwise ria ejete ari wenka kivia ke manto jawe manto joma helicopter tu kaigwere iguru ochoke igwa randi ndeka kwa mpungu
mabunge wetere
so naru enko mwa message javota wa South Imenti uma South Africa turendo kuona mbunge naru wari the voice of the people ti voice yeku nonto last Thursday we were very disappointed inyaga posta karabu athithiri nyako thivo mwekire mbicheo tutamuonere South Imenti was not represented bunge area niki aurire na that is one of the issues iria nene aringairwa kura kenda to represent. Mbejari ojo wagweta kidogo akina Willy Motunga, Dr. Willy Motunga, akina Gitobui Manyara. Those are great minds, warikana riria twari na young tax. Meira history repeats itself. Bible baturetere the second liberation ya kuchange katiba kenda tumake regime iria yathukia Moi. Ibo bayetagwa young tax akina James Orengo and the likes.
No, so, young tax ya rekano actually.
Yes?
Young tax ya rekano YK92.
No, kwari na YK92. Na ikwari na young tax baria baruja irira katiba. These are akina Orengo, akina Gitobui Manyara, akina Raila Odinga, akina Kiraito Moronge, Bawili Motunga bau, ibo bario egitariria. So history is repeating again itself. So lazima beje baejane guidance. Lazima batonye kaire ni onto okateka times tie gitarira gutare athimo. Ni ataba communicateaga ni atabombere ku make kenda tuona katibera tuina yo thaiji. So lazima beje kenda ba bridge that gap kenda tumba kwa generation ina yoga guidance. That is what is happening, Martin.
So now I don't know nitukomenete ontokuwa totewetia 4 trillion whereas SALESIO barabara no mwanka chiokwe alimoba ECD alimoba JSS ibawete kuandikwa they need 18.5 billion ichuba kwenda mandaktari ibarete mugomo lai na bawatanira mbeja chikethiri ukuma kwambire July 1st
NCOs bado be mugomo
clinical officers by mugomo ne mwankaruare clearly we need the 4 trillion na itukurea marandu Salesio. We are told that 70% ya mbechi ira tuthuranacia karimi citakiri kurea marandu kire thiringi 10 kothuranwa thiringi 7 yetakie kurea marandu now twitiwa na thiringi 3 ici cia kurea michara na ici cia kubwithia maendeleo. So clearly we need the 4 trillion.
We don't need Martin, number one, in this, sorry, ngao contradict. Athirikari menyete kwa very open ke mwananchi. Imarando jangana tukurea. Inueri jangana tukurea. Mukenya neri marando jangana tukurea.
Kuma 2020 twero 11 trillion.
Na roro kiriron kuona some breakdown ya marando jara bakuge bakurea Eurobond nerekire kurewa kitambo sana.
No, Eurobond ayukirie ngi kurea.
Nuko gwata na nyewe ngejo kirwe kurea ngi neri tayari uru na tigere arete. There is that breakdown area.
Now the other day sorry
ancho ke kidogo ngejo au Martin ankwenda gukuonia tutiko need that 4 trillion sorry 14 yare timero
ningi this pana
amegwete arere ore moyume kiongo in my mind kwina gintu kigwetwa confidential vote no kionete ke budget ya 14 billion ikionkwenda ukoni we don't need 4 trillion. What is confidential vote ya 4 billion kiri State House. Mbechi gatumirwa utikwirwo ri gutumirwa na itikwa audited.
Kwa sababu ni serikali.
No my friend. You see this is what we are calling crap. Kenya priority yetu ti 14 billion ya confidential vote State House. 14 billion equitable share ya Meru County ndani ya mwaka jumwa.
Actually Meru na Isiolo
Chungenwe
chiriamwe 14 billion Martin ikionkwenda gwata. Number 2 itoko need query 600 million for innovate the deputies president residence. Is that a priority?
No.
Itoko need 1.5 billion ndene ya constitutional and constitution office ya first lady's office icha kuthithia mbi twina misplaced priorities ke thirikari ichi ukatara mbechi uchionde ichi kwa amount to 20 billion chikwa wasted
ni kwa na kuandika arimu ba GSS
ichi kungana inya kuria madaktari betu lakini niki igwikirwa in misplaced priorities kikyo tutetera Martin nikyo ukwana na ndikyo tukuga atiri gwatuika mbechi ichi kwa challenge na wangi ukuga ituko need mbecha cia kuria mbecha cia kwandikana uketho gutina vote iji irio ciekiri itekwereswa mbecha ure cietete gutumirwa then we don't need 4 trillion budget.
Let me ask you Salesio, you know obviously a first lady it must operate.
Is it constitutional first? Ikionko kuria
by virtue of being the president's wife.
It is not constitutional, but tikuwate tebati kwithirwe reo.
We don't need it Martin. Tutaringire vote. Ntona
ndebele.
ndebele.
Bichie mwakoro mudavadi.
Yes, bas. Nyenge ntona ondingete kura. Martin, please.
First lady.
Ntona ndingete kura first lady on. Martin ntona oringete kura first lady. Ntona oringete kura yo bichi ya prime ministers kakana cabinet
secretary
spouse. Come on, ibatige to take Kenyans for a ride.
But you see, let's say
that's
for example,
misuse of resources.
But okay, for example, obviously
yes.
deputy second lady
prime Dorcas
Rigathi. You know, no busy to one take with reactive. Corona, you know, utumeribwa ndawa lebi rehabs kwithirwa kirwana na you know
kiagana kaka easy.
It is an active office. So we might as well say Bechiraba Nenkeri is Nico deserve.
You know, okatagera in the developed countries, first lady, first gentleman, you charitable. Obichi chidwa chirio for charity. Na obichi chidwa chirio chikira na goi foundation. Ibatige kwenda gutumira taxpayers money run their own private inya kotha nchi utethia nte kugite gutethia nte kugaje we rigathi nte kume brush off na tethetie na inya meru itwije na gwatanirite beta we little angels ka beta gwatia sisters bara are ora timau and they are doing a great job brunte ko discard bo Martin na nte koragana nabo but they should take another model tigo tumira taxpayers money kenda gutwika obichichi kuthithia atia ichikuran 1.5 billion imbecha chingani chekuria arimu betu ba JSS imbecha ingani chekwandika new clinical officers imbecha ingani cheko provide capitation
JSS barenda 18 billion
nenkuga at least ne kuongera ekaumanaja ujo egeta kuongera nare uria let them run obichiria na model tia those other developed countries through foundations and charitable
kwe mubunge tunaona akiuria tiri Martin, I don't remember the guy, the constituency already just the other day Ruto narari US as a project worth of almost $1 trillion lakini thai SALESIO and others bote kuona kwena project president aburetere I finance bill ebo kuona. There was a certain MP, there's a clip yesterday.
Our president, thai aretwa if line what? The trips iria make it outside the country.
69.
Ichikorokete iria Kibaki, Uhuru, na Moi, baetere in their terms. Baringaneri chiao chio idatu. Ichikorokete within 2 years. Kogwata. Yes, na itogweta tokerwa. But where are those tangible projects? Ankolie.
Maybe you're impatient.
You are not impatient. Au karaku for 2 years. Meru aja ujo. Ndenda omponie. No omponie me I will be satisfied. A tangible project. Iria omba kugania national government yambiritwe Meru. No gatara iria ejete ko launch chiambiritwe ni Uhuru kana chiambiritwe ni Kibaki. Mboni nyemwa.
Maziwa Mitongo. Maziwa Fields.
Meru Maziwa Millers.
Meru Maziwa.
Iria ne government?
Iria ne Meru Central.
Iria ne government Martin?
Narabaire 100 million.
Iria ne government Martin?
Narabaire milioni egana tho. Narabaire
ijarambe bara mwetete ja and donate chiawe milioni egana. Which is also good. Lakini ti project ya thirikari. Eri project ya company. Eri project ya remiberia.
Rera rebori ndaibiru ya launch I don't know construction ya dams or so.
Iri achia. Na ira chiari ogo kataga choka kaire nyuma ogachiethera chiari igitaria uru chiari tarobedi bakira itumurungi.
So SALESIO, who do we blame here? Is it the president kana ya bunge beto bategweta kulombe?
All of them.
You
all
see,
of them.
Kwero kiraito were atire SALESIO.
Yes.
Augere keki ya national te keki ya murano.
Ima.
Ugo karinde mwiki ya kuretera keki ya kurumie. So maybe it's our leaders.
Beratire SALESIO.
Yes.
You know, I don't know. Ntiko me ni ariko turi because is kinda twina double speak. Itokwenda maendeleo, itokwenda bunge betu beta kulopi. Yet
Tutakwenda finance.
itokwenda 4 trillion.
My friend, uti double speak irio. Kira gikwarirwo ni accountability. That's the underlining word, accountability.
So botena thina na finance bill ni urachi otumirwa.
Inya finance bill irio kenda utwira urienda kuraise mbecha iji ni untu bwa tax iji wareta ndatuma chiringi egana ngitwe chiringi 50. No kuelewa? Import ukatega import kwetwika nande ibire bikothithirwa Kenya tibio bika taxed ibira tukothithia ata to import ibao importers imochongo to Kenyans beto no kwinyereka. Anyway, kira tukuria the accountability of all. Martin,
let's talk about taxation.
That's the biggest question. Accountability.
Urachi
correctwa na urachi gotumirwa. Yes.
Katwari mantu yo oti SALESIO. You know, clearly ndiguru ina njira isile akitsia kuona mbecha. Through kodhura oti kana kuromba.
Kwa msaanda. Kwa misaanda.
Of course na kwa misaanda. So misaanda is coming the other day to Aero misaanda, to Aero projects, you know, development projects, 1 trillion.
Na change conditions,
Yeah, some of them ni conditional. Some of them ni conditional. Yes. So, oti kuromba So kuromba is not an option. Nontu turi nene tayari na tuendelea kwenje.
Na nyoko kwa kunoromba erando.
Yeah.
Yes. Utoterando.
But sasa they na wait too much.
Yes.
Seriously. You wait too much.
Yes.
So kuromba right now is not an option we would want to explore. Because neri nene turi tayari. And then conditional grants iji kana kuewa kutu kuawa misanda emwe ile yana conditions.
Yeah.
Kede ichibitari koke ni ichibitari.
Yes.
Na sometimes
negako na muthemba jo na jo.
Yeah.
Yes.
So option era twenio a SALESIO no woti.
Yes.
Na woti bo na bubuka ya na finance bill. Yes. Finance bill eje irabote kwenda activities. What's wrong?
Martin, to mwaka jo 2024. Is it the only time Kenya ithiritwe na finance bill ka kuthurania sheria kuthurania goti? No. Ni ithiritwe rio throughout president barabara yo. Tiuma? Now, niki president na MPs beto bate kwenda kuthikira the voice of the people. Tutekuga tutekwenda kuri ogoti. Ogoti tukaria na iburi agwa na ituje ni onjira. Iria thirikari
the people is saying the voice of the people iri bukothurania ni woti bo. How do you want a government to operate?
No, Martin, you are misinterpreting. You are misinterpreting.
Ibukuandamanira.
Finance bill iri othaichi aitithitwe ogoti kwa twika ogo kwa mwananchi akwa suffocated. Na ni untu pate kwenda kuthikira ya amended kuringana na ora mwananchi akwenda. We are rejecting it in totality to abera atiri inyeri erario 2023 tiatu amendete muno no karikana kwina antu baba ingi betere kotini akinokio mtata na the rest. Na bado again gwatwika their voice was not heard. The voice of the people through the court was not heard. Ni iba correctly ogoti nayo ya 2023 na target ira beke nya batakinyirie. So ya 2024 ya itiankurukia 2023 still inya target ira batithithia atia batimekinyia noko gwata. So ambe ni butigane ne 2024 endre nere 2023 tuchoke kaire on the drawing board. Kenda twitikanĩria percentages cia kuthurania ogoti chithwe chi realistic no tugataka thaiji Martin. Even biashara ile nyingi by the way twari na mukuru mwe mbitigiria mugwete aje uju etagwa Mainya wa Nkombo mwene Riverbank. Kwe karwaria twaragia ka biashara ori kari ambira twite na Nkombo na maguru tuthiuruke Nkombo na maguru twathiuruka Nkombo na maguru street by street. Ambire to itaranduka ira chionte chingi mirango ingi
arengania ne ingiro ngania ne
even in town
64 Nkombo ake twaktarire chiejire 64 biashara ithithite ate chingi antu bau benana bena mahitaji na kila kitu na aingire biashara yewe airera family yewe ate arithithia ate na kira giatumire ni finance bill ya 2023 ati ndio mbago sustain biashara ni onto bwa a lot of raft ogoti buri agwetua
double taxation
ira chonde agwetua
triple taxation
na ru ichiejere cheitia nkoroki ira chi 64 chingi ndene Nkombo multiply by 2 tukeja mwaka jo 2025 iri kethirwa chingi.
SALESIO.
So is that the kind of business environment area? No kwada it's not conducive. Area it created in 2023 ejete dai ketho even was so no kuinyereka Martin mwananchi okuinyereka ni mukenya okuinyereka.
The unfortunate bit ya manto yayo onde karimi SALESIO ni ati kinya maabisa ba treasury bongo including PS wa treasury ate kumba ku explain ate kumenya ni bibi bile kile finance bill yet it originate kuma kile treasury.
And you know the devil is always in the details.
Ija ukatega still kire yo kwendete utumira ndorirwa ukatega section 53 54 na 55 ya finance bill yo manto jalad
hapo kwa land niliona
Thai nwije we are not landowners.
Your leases.
We are leasers. Bubu goti bura twetete kuria.
Especially in town.
Yes, especially in urban centers.
Urban centers.
Ti towns ya kire inya to market jo uruko, to market.
Me italwa kuntu go nantu.
No kwata.
Witia.
No kwata Martin. Is that what we needed as Kenyans?
Na I have seen uni buranku interpret section ya myunda ni ati kedro in double taxation nonto okedro still okire ya land rates kire county government.
Yes.
So it will be a double taxation kire bara freehold lands.
Yes.
Yeah. So kedro okire otibwa
Ibwa county. Na
When
actually
a land rate-
our section 53 it define government akauga in reference to the national and the county government. So kare ogotibwa national
county
government
level.
bolis no chokewe jo eradicate cha county.
But all the same SALESIO,
Yes.
we have a budget.
Yes.
Ere bati kwithire kia actualized kwambiria kiume twitite Monday actually.
Yes. No kore nya tukiariria budget ya national Amero muno itukwarangagia na karimia kidogo by the curtain ya county area.
Irio.
Yeah. Katuthiria na national government.
Na nya tukaretwa finance bill eka
Ya county.
ya county.
Hiyo finance bill ya county hakuna.
For free.
So SALESIO, so how do we go about this? Because ndo mwaka tu twena budget na budget yeje iko na becha kumane na finance bill. What happens?
Tutikoraga jau John Martin. Ibendre nerera ario o itwinyiriti orera twinyiriti 2023. We are not there for the laws. The laws are there for us. Nokoro Martin.
Yeah.
Tutione untu bwa sheria. Ende sheria irio ne untu ne untu bwetu. Tuchoke twinde on the drawing board. Na ikeja gukurukwa na aro ni abunge.
We have no time.
Tikana time. Time is always there.
We have no time.
We are always there. Martin.
Tutena time
Martin,
SALESIO
tikana na manto
because we
ya
are time
time.
bad. Because SALESIO budget ya 2024-25 yena pongeli ya 400 billion kumakire budget ya 2023-24.
Na ikyo nkwere atire Martin.
So na 400 billion hizi kumakire finance bill ya 2024.
Ikyo nkwere atire Martin. Batu twe wananchi tutekuwa lazima twithiro twena budget ya 4 trillion. For us that's not a priority. Tukwereano? For us that's not a priority. Number 2,
So
language you okwaria, language you okwaria ukiuga tutina time, niye kwarwa ni president, niye kwarwa ni executive, niye kwarwa ni
Because
MPs.
it is the reality.
That's not a reality. Nankwere bukendera kuga leaders betu bakendera kwaria bakiuga reality.
SALESIO.
What is the reality na
SALESIO wetete kotini yana manto na ya timelines tia constitutional timelines.
Several times. Several times.
Then why do you want us to
Several times.
to ignore
breach.
We are going to amend. That's what we are scoring now.
budget kana finance bill?
We are going to amend all these laws.
The laws.
All these laws. Kikyo to kwenda thaiji Martin. Kende nya to everia nyamu we go to confidential vote. We are going to agitate for that. The amendment of these laws. Na kenda budget yekethithwa kutuika lazima each and every legislature. Na Martin aja uju tuitete nya kwa amend tutiko need even CDF now. What has CDF done for us?
A lot.
Ejete
A lot.
we don't need
SALESIO.
tiankwera Martin. Even bursaries, we don't need bursaries
SALESIO,
now.
were you born today?
We don't even need bursaries now, Martin.
mean?
Mukenyi twere twenare wastage of public resources ikumera. We don't even need those bursaries now.
What do we
Why?
need?
We need total capitation from the government. Kenda education is really free. Itotige crap ije kwera kwa bursary kwena bursary tia
County.
tia governor, bursary tia MCA, bursary tia women rep, bursary tia MP, bursary tia national government, itede tia nampi. Our people are still poor. We need bechichi on the check in a consolidated account kutho kwena total capitation.
Kithomo kia
Ya kithomo kithoge gia free
I
Martin.
support.
Crap yingi tutigane na chio. ni unto chiethiritwe chi cash cow na nyo gatega basaries iji na chichiongo Kairi Martin
You know actually
ithiritwe ikiejanwa with fairness.
actually abunge baraba inge including Bamero baruate tumikia baringire finance bill
yes.
no tuba kwethira ati ni obongela 50 million
Tote kwa
Basari.
na
NGCDF.
au
Kienda
ne
boge.
baguichida au ne baguichida aba smoke out. We have realized to take itethagia na baraba inge bethiritwe be entrepreneurs ndene ya CDF through proxy companies.
You know
We are going to kill this thing. Lazima MP beto but stick to their 3 roles.
Legislation.
Benda kana barege. Legislation, oversight na representation. Ichi cha development tigana nachio ito kora ye bioria ni ate ambechi ichi cha tumerwa.
Yet Salesio.
Number 2 ntadria Martin.
Yet tipo kwenda
We are
MCAs
going
banenkelwa ward fund.
onitara ugo.
You double speaking.
Kwaria rwaria yaro.
No,
kwaria
rwari lakini iro rwari right?
Yes.
Irwari
Rwari
Then
these are the things to kwenda chia scrap all of them. We are going to begin from a new slate, Martin. Michara ye revised.
Salesio,
Again.
I am a very observant person
Yes.
myself.
Yes.
Very observant.
Yes, Martin.
2002 mbere Kibaki ironda kuma form 1.
Yeah.
Dokumere
Bari
form
yako
1.
ancestor.
Yeah, I am an ancestor. Very ancient. 2002 ironda kuma form 1.
Yes.
Then secondary schools tiari inkai sana. Onto kwetu kutari na any day school.
This could.
Yes, it's true.
Kibaki ari hukuma. CDF iri kuambiria 2003. 2003 was it? Yeah, I think so. 2003, 2004. Irio chukuru chiambiririe every
Constituency.
primary school yena secondary day school. Na ontobuni bwathetherire bonene sana. Na secondary school siji chiaretero ni CDF. So okay, yombera CDF utebia tethetie woni to me you'll be lying to me.
Ntara ugo completely, Martin. But aturi araisete. Time egukinya ya go change that policy. Sawa.
Yeah.
A lot of things were done in the initiative level. Lakini thai kire kithiritwe kirio o secondary school iti yakirwe.
No ziwa kwa bado.
Tiaka igwa kwa bado. Imabati ja ko changewa kana jaga ko rangi. Kana taozi gekirwa. Nothing much of any other development will take place. Ni onto mbunge atigirwe skuru na manto ja security. Eja gwaka police post, police stations na mbije ja atigirwe. But that work has been done. Akendrea kunenkerwa milioni 170 kuendelea gwaka police post rangi ni onto iti yakiro.
Na iwiti
mubunge no akenda kwethirwa mtu no mubunge no Martin.
Kire budget yechi kinya 200 million.
Kinya 200 million. Tia ende kaire na chukuru iti yakiro Martin.
Ende mubunge no akenda gutarwa gite Martin gite na Kigiina gya kurungamira.
Au no tukwenda gucoka ugatege gitari riria before CDF yejire. Ugatega baria bari MPs egita riria akina Martha Karua akina Kiraito Murungi. Na substance ira beta ko represent in the National Assembly. No igwa mtu kwe untu agutetera. Lakini daiji kiria bena kyo bategete ingaf NGCDF. Nothing else. Ntukuire kwina issues cia gutetera te baigwa mbunge. Iba tare bedero bari mbunge. So we want to put them back to the work. Ngogeria yo babati korita the 3 laws. Benda kana barege. Time has come for change, Martin.
Okay. Kievo Vince Roy aruatri. MPs wako atarini. Kievo kuma Meru Amalidi KB Kingston Veve Beza kawa locked representing American and Truba. Nawe Diana Gachungu aruatri watching representing Chuka Massive. Gichunge when Thuranira Salesio Mutuma anasema hajaona representation ya South Imenti. I have a doubt nikiwa Tharakanithi because nimezoea PA wa Shadrack Mweti ambaye ni MC Jeremy Education People so much ambia Salesio inaonekana amerudi kwa TV tena. Let's get ready for
I correct him. Jeremy Nyato PA wa daktari. Let him get facts correct. Yes.
Okay. Ungeno arua live from Nairobi aritwa Andrew kirao arua ready in Nairobi to occupy parliament. Our MPs are too much loyal to president. They have forgotten the votes. We cannot forgive these MPs or forget them. If the government can reduce expenditure and stop stealing, then there is no need for taxing us. What do you say?
Ngwitikia mathaa jetete kuthira.
Yes.
Mbere naru tukaumira Nkubu, tukaumira Meru Town, tukaumira Makutano, tukaumira Timau, tukaumira Kianjai, tukaumira Maili Tatu, tukaumira Maua. Jitokeze. Yes, narare bakaumira. And make sure ukiumira wina cash. At least some cash. Tirazima chitho chirikire M-Pesa. Number 2.
Cash for what?
Just in case.
For in case of?
Just in case. They know you bakome arwaria ratu kwaria. Number 2. Either at least 2 or 3 contacts in your head. Number ithatu chia thimu imwe ya family. Number ya ijire. Contact person bantu baraba kubangania manto jaja. Ya ithatu at least a close friend confident ubako ringira thimu. Chitho chiri offered. In case okay,
Martin usiende maandamano. He's very poor in memorizing numbers. Martin usiende.
I am disqualified.
You are disqualified.
Number 3, at least especially kire nduke yare ugakira iratu biregoro, at least kira kiratu ke flat.
I thought maandamano is peaceful.
It's very peaceful.
So
we are just giving them experience ya maandamano. Kenda umbaku walk. Tumbaku walk in high heels. Yes, last Thursday we walked a lot, Martin. At least either wina gachuba ukamatete roje. Sawa. Na uka walk alone. Walk in groups.
okay.
Ukatembea peke yako. Number last nkithiria hakikisha kidogo in case ukeja kwithirwa ukeja kugwatwa contact iria ithirwa wina chio na Martin betikeria nkaeja nekwa maandamano jaja generation yeje in a professionals across the board. So we have a battalion of lawyers ready in case of mtu akeja kugwatwa. They have my contact.
Who is paying them?
Don't mind ote payment area. This is for free. Chiritera just bena contact ya kwana baba tinayo. I'll give it here Martin wambetekeria. Give me a call. We'll know how to come and rescue.
Okay. Yes. Salesio bere tidiria budget ya county. How far is it? I don't know.
And what is the timeline?
At least by today and tomorrow nebatigo korokua. That is what is there. Kiri Public Finance Management Act. Na ya korokua from there then minister wa Kigiina na bati na yo ku present leo na yo finance bill ya kuonania uria bakamiti budget ire na atabakothorania vote. Yes, after before the end of July.
That is by we are talking of Rojo okay Thursday Friday.
The last finance bill Miro ya reunion 2019.
Yeah, 2019.
Yes. Naro Jumaine tuna Monday tariki imwe.
Yes.
Don't forget.
Na tuna several rulings especially case monda iketie court tuna ruling that ibabati kuthithia a new finance bill. There is that order.
So it is okay Meru babu with the finance bill, but it is not okay national government babu with the finance bill.
It is not okay bathithie. By law ne thithwe and they already in tandem with the reality on the ground of business.
A reasonable finance bill.
Yes.
Okay. Very well.
Thank you.
Salesio, thank you very much for coming. Nontubokweya na we expect maandamano ya bwithika kethro ya thiri both kumakire andamani na kumakiro angiro karia.
Yes.
We really hope so. Because tutakwenda kuona a case ya muyuthi ya itotoro bwake or askari akiumia kana itweka njara.
Actually anchokerie rwangiro etu rwa thirika rwa police Meru County ngatho no tubwa maandamano ja last week Thursday. Tutaratia gas arrest actually bato thingataga na Land Cruisers ile chiao nyuma na bangi betho bari mbere tiga tukija kuthirikiria kidogo na mbere those boys baraba kara river at least ba behave ibo bejere kugera tu maiga nothing much happened na itoko even today inya biacha richi ya rugori na kwibo batukundagia roje it was so good nantu ba iba joinaga bangi iba ugaga it's something that's good that is happening. So I even expect today ketho very peaceful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you take, what do you make of mawatho yara yanirwe ni Kindi Kioro? I have seen Gitobi Manyara react very negatively about it.
You know, jara ijawe jara ijawe tija mwananchi
Tija katiba.
jara tija katiba. So it's neither here nor there. Jara
But don't you
ijawe
think it's making sense akiuga at least by 6:30 with Robote town? Does that make sense?
ewi thina ciawe ni ontu meagi ntukira bari ya raisi maandamano jareta jageta build nara irabune
after party.
after party no tiomba you know that's a right otiomba mbira ngatonya kirabu ngamathaja janga
Ngaandamana
no, see it is in the bill of rights.
Because there is no curfew anyway.
It's not in the bill of rights.
Yeah.
I think mwenye aliunda hii katiba ya Kenya na regret mahali. Thank you, Salesio.